guys, we are back. We're on our way home from work, and of course, a little bit of traffic. Not much I can do on the busy highways, but if you're just tuning in to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment. But we're just here for the ride, all right? But for the ones that are new, this is a 2015. Not your newer Mustang, so it's not something to be wilding about. But if you got a Mustang platform and you're looking into get stuff, you know, depending on what you're doing with the vehicle. So I like to track the car, so I do a lot of dig racing. So I am very, very set up for digs. What I mean by that, BMR suspension, lower springs, solid control arm bushings, billet upper control arms with the lockout plates. I have 0 camber right now on the vehicle. Bill transmission from Big Caliber, 1-piece aluminum drive shaft. It is manual, 6-speed. So I run the McLeod RX T twin disc clutch with a light flywheel, OEM slave cylinder. The car does have oil pump gears, crank sprocket, headers, K-member, BMR motor mounts, brackets. Still got the stock sway bar, front and rear, stock struts, stock shocks, stock brakes, full interior. What else? I'm running a 2018 manifold with the PMAX with 47 and NU injectors. What else? We tuned by Lund, so let me over. Right. But yeah, I like to have fun. You know, the main thing about building cars is to have fun. People get caught up in how much power the car makes, but that's cool and all. That's cool. That's cool. But you got to be able to enjoy it and have fun with it, you know. I chose the manual because at the time I was driving the manual. That's all I drove. You know, 10 speed, whatnot, and wouldn't even thought about it. Even when they dropped, still didn't want them. Not because they're a lot faster, you know, they're better for drag racing. But you gotta like the challenge. It's all about the challenge, you know. As far as if you're winning or losing, it's a challenge. Home, and then we'll do a walk around.